steps in your word. Please order my steps in your word. Bridle my tongue, let my word tell the crazy, let the words of my mouth be acceptable in thy sight. Take charge of my thoughts, both day and night, and order my steps in your word. Please order my steps in your word. I want to walk worthy. I'm calling to fulfill. Please order my steps, Lord, and all through your blessing will. Your word is ever changing, but you are still the same. If you order my steps, I'll praise your name. Order my steps in your word. Order my tongue in your word. Wash my feet in your word. Wash my hands in your word. Show me how to walk in your word. Show me how to talk in your word. I need a brand new song to sing. Show me how to let your praises ring in your word. In your word.